Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the one of the most powerful and widely used techniques in the biotechnology, which is known as PCR, polymerase chain reaction. So it is a technique used in molecular biology to create several copies of certain DNA segments, and this technique was developed by the Kary Mullis in 1983, which was an American biochemist. So PCR has made it possible to generate millions of copies of a small segment of DNA. So this technique can take just a tiny amount of DNA and make millions of copies of it in just a few hours. So let's see the principle of PCR. So PCR technique is based on the enzymatic replication of DNA. In PCR, a short segment of DNA is amplified using a primer mediated enzymes. DNA polymerase synthesizes new strands of DNA विच इज़ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री टू द टेम्पलेट डीएनए। मतलब जो हमारा टेम्पलेट डीएनए है उसके कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ही जो हमारा प्राइमर है वो एक अलग सा हमारा स्ट्रैंड बना देगा। सो द मेन एंजाइम यूज्ड इज टाक पॉलीमरेज बिकॉज इट इज़ हीट स्टेबल एंड इट डज नॉट गेट डिस्ट्रॉयड एट इवन अ हाई टेम्परेचर। So now we see the components of PCR. First is DNA template, the DNA of interest from the sample, means the sample of DNA which we are want to copy. Second one is Taq polymerase. It is the enzyme that adds the nucleotide to make new DNA strands. तो जो हमारा टैग पोलीमरेज है वो न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स को और ऐड करता है न्यू डीएनए स्ट्रैंड्स. थर्ड इज प्राइमर, शॉर्ट पीसेस ऑफ डीएनए दैट स्टार्ट द कॉपिंग प्रोसेस. फोर्थ इज डीएनटीपीज, like these are the building blocks which is used to form new DNA. Fifth one is buffer with Mg and potassium. It provides stable environment for the reaction. So now we see the steps of PCR. So here are only three main steps. First one is denaturation, which is done at 94 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 120 seconds, and this breaks the hydrogen bond between the two strands of DNA and convert it into a single stranded DNA. सो ये जो डबल स्टैंडर्ड हमारा डीएनए था, जो टेम्पलेट था, उसको ये क्या करता है, उसका बीच का जो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड होता है उसको ब्रेक कर देता है, तो उससे हमारा जो होगा कि सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड डीएनए हो जाएगा. अब दिस सिंगल स्टैंड नाउ एक्ट एज अ टेम्पलेट फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ न्यू स्टैंड्स. अब ये जो हमारा सिंगल स्टैंड है दोनों का अलग अलग, तो उसमें हम लोग अब हमारा नया स्टैंड जो है कि बन सकता है. Second step is annealing, which is done at 54 to 60 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 40 seconds. Here, the primers bind their complementary sequences on the template DNA. Means here the temperature is lowered, like in the denaturation the temperature was 94 degrees Celsius, but during the annealing the temperature should be lowered to about 54 to 60 degrees Celsius. And what is done here, primers attack to their matching sites on the single strand DNA. So also they serve as the starting point for the synthesis of the DNA. The two separated strands run in opposite direction, and consequently there are two primers, which is known as a forward primer and reverse primer. Now the third step is extension, which is done at about 72 to 80 degrees Celsius, and here the Taq polymerase binds to the primer and start adding nucleotides, which means a new DNA strand is formed here. So what is done in elongation? So the bases are added to three end of the primer by the Taq polymerase enzyme. This elongates the DNA in 5' to 3' direction. So the Taq polymerase can tolerate very high temperature, so it attaches to the primer and add the DNA bases to the single strand. Means overall what is done here in the extension, so the Taq polymerase bind to the primer and start adding nucleotides, so a new DNA strand is formed. Now after the PCR we check the result using the agarose gel electrophoresis. This helps us to confirm whether the desired DNA fragment was amplified or not. So now we will see the applications of PCR. So PCR is used almost in everywhere in biology and medicine, like in disease diagnosis like COVID, TB and HIV. Also in DNA fingerprinting, in forensic science, detecting genetic disorders, microbial contamination testing in food and dairy, cloning and genetic research. So friends, PCR is a revolution in molecular biology. It allows scientists to detect, study and manipulate the DNA easily. From medical testing to crime investigation and even food safety, PCR plays a major role in modern biotechnology. So thank you everyone. We will meet in next video.